What people don't realise sometimes that at Bush & Noble, a big part of our work is consultancy. So we're doing repairs, we're doing maintenance, and we're doing upgrades. So today we're going to show you this project that we're going to do on this Majesty 62 that we've just handed over to the new owner, but there's a few bits that we want to upgrade to make the boat more usable for his family. So first, we're here on the bathing platform. First thing we want to do, and we're designing, so Brett, one of the directors of Bush & Noble, has made this great design of stairs for the bathing platform. So when it's lowered, the stairs come up, and we have some items. So instead of having moving rolling bars, we've got this rubbing plate, which we'll show you in more detail when that's being made. Before, this boat didn't have a jet ski or the jet ski strap and the attachments here, so they've been fitted already as well. So we're going to have a jet ski here, and on top we're planning to have a tender. So we'll show you the bits on the flybridge, and we'll also show you what we're going to do down the sides. On these side and the other side, we're going to adapt these handrails. So what happens here on this boat is the kids of the family like to jump off from here and also up here. So we're going to make that easier and safer. By doing that, all we're going to do is start the stainless steel from this point. So take off this section so they're able to use this handrail. Even when they're coming up, they've still got enough safety. And we're going to put a clear non-slip on this part as well. So we'll show you those details, and then obviously the kids can use it this side, and the same for the other side as well. So the biggest parts of the project are going to be up here on the flybridge. So the main thing is we're changing all of these from the stainless steel. We're going to have a little bit more of a classic and modern look with acrylic. We were looking at glass as well, but we think that's going to be a bit too brittle. So we'll show you those in different sections, and we're looking at the different designs of how we're going to top that off. So those options we'll show you when we're talking through them. Also, the other thing is we're going to do is, as I said, put a crane up here. So this will be for the tender. The client did want the tender down below, so we may do that. So we may put the jet ski up here and the tender down below for weight. And then we're also looking at putting a removable crane here, Atlas crane, and we'll also look at different options to see which is the best. So that will just put slot straight in here, and then that will bring the either jet ski or the tender straight back up. The other things we're looking at, we're going to look at carbon poles or poles here, this side and this side, to bring the sheet over for sunshade. So that will look very good. You'll see a lot of boats in Dubai and in the sun that have that, just to protect either when you're using it on, also when you're not. We're going to have a look at putting full teak down. So we've got teak downstairs, real teak, and we'll look doing the same up here to see how that looks. This area, we're looking to put a bar. So we're going to raise it here, probably out to this area. Again, we're looking at more designs. So we'll show you the designs as we go through them. The idea is to have two bar stools here facing this way and facing everybody that's in sight as well. We'll flip you around. You can see here we've got amazing cover. Up here at the moment we've just got the two speakers, this side and this side, so we're going to fill the area with subwoofers, more speakers as well, and a system that works perfectly with the owner's either phone, laptop, or even iPad. And then more forward, again, we're looking at more spaces for the kids to jump. They like to jump from this area. So our plan is to put a handle up here and some more non-slip here, making it as safe as possible as well. So they are the few bits of work that we're looking to do. So now the manufacturers have been on board. They're looking at designs. They're going to send us the designs, the options. We're going to go through them with the owner, and then we'll pick them. And then the next video we'll show you the actual work being done.